Toddler food. How to make egg shrimp vegetables vermicelli. I'm Novena, the Chinese medicine practitioner. I will be demonstrating how to create balanced meals for toddlers aged 12 months up, not just in nutritional value, low salt and high fiber, but also in the Chinese medicine natures of food, 寒涼溫熱. We will be cooking brown rice vermicelli, eggplant, bok choy, garlic, egg, milk, shrimp, some cooking oil, 5-spice powder, and white pepper. A complete list of the ingredients are in the description box down below. Firstly, wash your shrimp. Today I bought live shrimp from the wet market. Remove the shrimp shell. Devein the shrimp. Slice the shrimp to small pieces. Then marinate with 5-spice powder and white pepper for 15 minutes to remove the fishy smell. Shrimp is a warm-natured food. It can increase your yang energy. Boil the brown rice vermicelli for 5 minutes until softened. Cut it into small lengths. Remove the skin from the eggplants. Cut the eggplant into small lengths. Eggplant is a cold-natured vegetable. Cut the bok choy into small lengths. Bok choy is a cool-natured vegetable. Mince the garlic. Boil the eggplant for 3 minutes until soft. Separately, boil the bok choy for 4 minutes. Scramble the egg with the milk. Milk, garlic, and shrimp are all warm-natured, while eggplant and bok choy are both cold-natured. They balance each other out to create a neutral-natured meal. Add cooking oil to pan. Sauté the garlic. Add shrimp and cook for 3 minutes. Pour the egg mixture, vegetables, vermicelli, mix well, and done! While you weren't watching, I made another portion for myself. My toddler and I eat the same healthy and delicious food together. Try this recipe. You can also substitute the shrimp for beef if you are allergic. I am Novena, the Chinese medicine practitioner. Please subscribe for more videos.